Palestinians newlyweds separate due to travel ban. Bahrain to join US-led coalition in Gulf. Egyptian court sentences 6 to death for violence. 8 suspects arrested in Istanbul for aiding PKK. US urged Syrian regime and allies to halt Idlib attacks. Family planning service crucial for Syrian migrants, expert. UAE-backed separatists withdraw from Aden, Yemen. South African journalist seized in Syria begs for help. Rohingya group sounds alarm on premature repatriation. Trump urged Pakistan and India leaders to exercise calm. Over 200 school reopens in Jammu and Kashmir, Hanoi. Kashmir students stay away as officials reopen schools.